On today's menu, we are going to make this easy and simple bean stew. It doesn't require so much effort. All you need is some basic ingredients and you would have the best bean stew ever. So let's get started. I've already washed my beans, prepared and poured in water. So I'm just going to let it cook. And while that is happening, I have my chopped onion, one pepper depending on your spice level, and this chopped tomato. You can use any tomato that you have. At this point, my beans had been on fire for almost an hour and it was soft to the consistency that I wanted, so I was glad with it. So I'm just going to pour it out into a different bowl, and then in that same pan that I cooked my beans in, I'm going to add a little bit of oil, and into this I'll add my blended onion, pepper and tomato into it and let it fry for some few minutes. And for you to know that your pepper mixture is fried, you would see that oil will start forming on top like you can see right now. So I'm going ahead to add this seasoning cube. Now tell me why I had to use all my strength to break up this Maggi cube. Like, it took every effort in me, but I eventually got it. So I'm just going to season it up with this, and into this I'm going to add 2 can or 10 of mackerel fillet. It's one of my favorite things to do. If you don't have this, you can easily use sardine or any mackerel that you have available. Just going to ahead to let this fry for some few minutes, and literally your base for your bean stew is done. You season it up to your taste, and the base for your bean stew is done, literally. So I'll just go ahead to add my cooked beans. And that's it, guys. That's the easiest way of making the simplest bean stew. If you have a tight schedule, if you can't do the complex bean stew, trust me, it hits so well with cocoa or rice, yam, whatever you have. Anyways, that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.